Hi everyone, my name is Jasmine.
I'm Jala.
And welcome back to our weekly Facebook Live. So we go live every Friday at 12 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. And this week we're doing a DIY, aka do-it-yourself roll-on.
Roll-ons are great to take for on-the-go aromatherapy.
Yes, and so now on our website we do offer roller bottles. So we offer roller bottles on our website.
Yeah, and they come in a 5-pack. They're 10mm amber glass. They come with this stainless steel roller head. And it's an easy glide. It doesn't make a sticky, icky mess. Yeah. And once you put the cap on, you're not going to disperse too much oil.
Exactly. So in front of us, we do have our rollers. We have them pre-filled with grapeseed oil. So you can use any carrier oil, so like jojoba or grapeseed. We're going with grapeseed today because it is actually thinner than jojoba and it's cheaper. We love to save
for
money.
DIYs.
Yeah, so it's great for DIYs. So we'll just...
Yeah, I love DIYs. Let's start.
Okay, so... if you're like me and you don't want to kind of mess around trying to figure out how many drops of which oil to put in to make your perfect scent, go ahead and go straight for a already made blend. So I'm going to use our Inspire blend because I need a little inspiration in my life right now.
Your inspiration, Jasmine.
Thank you so much. So our Inspire blend contains cassia, cedarwood, chamomile, cinnamon leaf, orange, patchouli, tangerine, thyme, and ylang ylang.
Ylang ylang. I love that name.
I know. So I'm going to do 10 drops. See if we can. 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 8, 9, 10. Perfect.
It's a nice color. I love
it.
It
is a beautiful color. So this says, calm the mind and create an aromatic sanctuary with this blend of pure essential oils. Promote inspiration, creativity, enhance inner awareness, and take time to relax and rejuvenate. So what you're going to do is you're going to take your roller ball and you're going to press it down. So I'm going to press it down over here so I don't knock everything over.
Yeah.
So essential oils like tangerine and orange are really good to boost your mood. Any citrus oil really helps with if you're feeling down or
boost your happy.
Yeah, if you're feeling a little down, go ahead and diffuse or make a little roll-on of a citrus oil. And then the chamomile is actually really soothing for your nerves.
Yeah, you can relax a little.
So you shake it up.
Nervous. Shake, 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 shake.
And then, since this is one of my favorites, I'm going to go ahead and just apply it right now. I love it.
That smells really, really refreshing.
Yes, it's a beautiful citrusy
Yeah, it's
aroma.
already making me happy. And I already smile all the time.
So I'll just put this down right here.
So next roll-on, we have peppermint. Speaking of peppermint, last week I had this really bad headache, so I walked over to Jasmine's desk, and before I could finish my sentence, she was rubbing my temples with essential oil, with this peppermint essential oil, and it made my headache go away, and it was awesome.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I'm going to add 10 drops here.
So I love peppermint for headaches. Every time I have a headache, I always use peppermint essential oil. I don't like taking too much medicine.
Yeah, I'm not a big medicine person.
If I can...
I'm
do
gonna have
something natural, it's right.
Jasmine do the honors.
You want me to do it?
Yeah, because she's like the strong one out of the two of us.
Been in the gym lately.
Actually, this is not only good for headaches and migraines, it's been known to reduce depression, stress, anxiety, and cramps, along with a bunch of other stuff. So it's really good. It smells awesome. It wakes you up in the morning, and we're going to try smelling it right now. I'm going to rub it on my temples to get rid of the headache that I had. And again, remember, you guys, once you put this cap on, it's not going to disperse too much oil. You can throw this in your purse and not worry that it's going to leak or anything.
Exactly.
And poof, my headache's gone already.
So, as you know, Jala, times are kind of crazy right now. We can all use a little bit of love. So I'm going to make a roll-on with our Love Essential Oil. So our Love Essential Oil has vanilla, patchouli, tangerine, clove bud, and sandalwood. So patchouli, as I know that you love patchouli.
I love patchouli.
Patchouli is known to evoke the feeling of love, and then sandalwood is great to aid in meditation. So let's go ahead.
We all need a little in our life.
Let's do 10 drops. Okay. So our love blend says, love, 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 we all need more. This blend will fill the atmosphere with its sweet aroma, bringing warmth and the feeling of closeness. Enhance well-being for loving, healthy relationships.
We have a healthy relationship, right?
We do have a healthy relationship.
We're besties.
Jala and I have been best friends for 5 years.
And the plus is we get to work together.
I know. Isn't it awesome to work with your best friend?
It's the best.
Okay, so I'll go ahead and shake this up.
Shake, shake, shake.
And even though I love this smell, I love love, I won't roll it on because I already have my inspiration blend. Oh, you want to smell
Yeah,
it?
I want to smell it. I think it would smell really good. I think I'm in love. I really do. So we have our next roll-on. It's Anoint. This is a really cool blend. I love this smell. It's become one of my new favorites. This contains myrrh, cassia, frankincense, patchouli, cinnamon, and galbanum. And frankincense has actually been known to like strengthen your muscles,
Your immune system.
your immune system. And if you like frankincense and myrrh soap, then you're gonna love this smell.
Yes.
And I'm gonna just add 10 drops here.
Anoint is one of my favorite blends that we offer. But I also love our frankincense and myrrh soap. That's probably why I love it so much.
And I'm going to have Jasmine do the honors and put this on again. She's really good at it. This blend contains pure essential oils that were considered sacred and used for anointing and other holy practices. To make this, you add 15 to 30 drops per ounce of olive oil. In this case, we're using grapeseed oil to your temples and neck. Now, I already added the peppermint to my temples, so I'm going to use this as a perfume cologne, which is also something that you can use it for. Definitely, like before you go to a yoga class or a Pilates class, you can just put this on, and it'll just bring that, like, you know, centered balancedness in you.
Definitely.
So it's really
I
good.
love
It makes
it.
me want to go right now.
Go to yoga?
Go to yoga and just strike a pose. I don't know.
Alright, so working in an office, we're prone to get sick. Once one coworker is sick, it's kind of like a domino effect, and everyone else starts to get sick. So I'm going to go ahead and make a roll-on blend with our Breathe Easy essential oil. So this contains camphor, cedar leaf, cedar wood, peppermint, eucalyptus, fir needle, and rosemary.
That's a mouthful, huh? A lot of them.
I know. So I'll go ahead and do 10 drops. Okay.
I can smell it from here.
Yeah, so it does smell a lot like the vapor rub that used to rub on your parents used to rub on your chest for you when you were a child. So camphor is actually good for respiratory issues, and then fir needle is known to help bronchial congestion and colds.
Yeah.
So this is chock full of amazing essential oils, especially for when you're sick. So let's see what this says. You want to shake this up for me?
Yeah, let me shake it. You can rub this like on your chest, the back of your neck, and the soles of your feet.
Right. So it says suffering from cold, flu, or allergies, relieve stuffy noses and chest congestion the natural way. This blend is chock full of essential oils known for their respiratory support. Oh, yeah.
It smells really good.
Also effective for muscle aches and pain. So it's kind of like a 2-for-1.
Here, try it.
Oh, yeah.
It smells really good.
So it's really
Brings back
good. Yeah,
memories.
exactly. So when you're sick, you go ahead and rub it on your chest or the back of your neck, soles of your feet, and go to bed, and hopefully you'll be feeling better in the morning.
Well, guys, we have a surprise for you today. Today we have our daily deals on our website, and they're only going for $16.95.
Yes, so my personal favorite is our vanilla orange body wash. So it smells a lot like a 50/50 ice cream bar, which is so yummy. It makes me want to eat it. Obviously, you can't. Please do not eat this.
And my favorite is the patchouli, of course. I like all things patchouli. You get a sample soap, matching sample soap that goes with it, and a bathroom poof. And again, it's only $16.95. If you want to purchase this, you just go on our website, on the homepage, click on the banner where it says Daily Deal, or you can go to plantlife.net/daily deals.
Exactly. So we also have our lavender body wash that comes with a lavender soap sample and a bath poof, and then the lemongrass body wash that comes with a lemongrass soap sample and a bath poof as well.
It's such a great deal.
Oh, it's an awesome deal.
Yeah.
And we appreciate you guys for tuning in. Make sure you go ahead and check out our daily deal. We'll keep them up until Monday. So like she said, you can check it out. You can go to our homepage banner or plantlife.net/daily deal. And we do have free shipping over $25, so all you have to do is just add a little something extra into your cart and you'll get free shipping.
Or just get 2 sets.
Or you can get 2 sets, exactly.
One for you and one for whoever you totally love to get them stuff.
So make sure you check out our roller bottles too on our website. Let us know if you create any DIYs yourself. We'd love to hear from you. And as always, we appreciate you guys, and we'll see you next Friday, 12 p.m. Pacific Standard Time.
Bye-bye.